This is what your Windows 11 taskbar and start menu look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to make your Windows 11 taskbar and start menu look like macOS menu bar. So let's dive in. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to make your Windows 11 start menu and taskbar look like macOS menu bar. So first thing, you have to install this software called Windhawk. Go to its official website and download and install it. Okay, now we have to install some mod. First we have to make some changes on taskbar. Right click on taskbar, go to taskbar settings, and in here you have to hide the search bar. For example, just click on here and click on hide. Okay, then you have to click on taskbar viewer, and here you can see this combined taskbar buttons and hide level. Make it always taskbar is full. Okay, then you have to taskbar alignment, make it left. Okay, now we have to install some mods. Open Windhawk and click on browse for mod. First we have to install this Windows 11 taskbar style. Click on details and then click on install and then click on install. So it will install the taskbar mod. Okay, taskbar mod has been installed. Now go to this theme folder and here you can see these mods, and open this taskbar and then copy this complete code and then go to advanced and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, now we have to install another mods called, click on explorer and taskbar height and icon size, click on details and then click on install and then click on install, and then again go to this folder and here you can see this taskbar size. Just copy this script and then go to advanced and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, now we need to install another mods called taskbar on top Windows 11. Just search for it and then click on details and then click on install and then click on install. Okay, now we have to install another mods called taskbar clock customization. Then click on details and then install it. Okay, now we have to install the start menu styler. Here you can click on home and then click on explorer again, and here you can see Windows 11 start menu styler. Click on details and click on install and then click on install, and then go to this mods folder and double click to open start menu text file and then copy this code. So it will take some time to complete the installation, and then click on details and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, it's done. This is how you can convert your Windows 11 start menu and taskbar into macOS menu bar. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video. Thanks for the watching.